Drop it.
Welcome back to our video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about if and switch statement. Let's first define the if statement here. The if statement is the most simple decision-making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain condition or statement or block of codes will be executed during the course of the program. There are several types of if statements that we have in C++. For our first example, I'm going to demonstrate simple if statement. The syntax is if, and then we're going to have here the condition. Then if this condition is true, we will execute that particular statement. For single statements, if in case there will be more than one statement or compound statement to be executed, you need to enclose the statements in an open and close curly brace. Let's now look at our code. I have here on the screen a sample program that demonstrates the use of the simple if statement. The program would ask the user to input here the value of x, where x is any integer value. Now, this is our condition. We are going to evaluate whether the input value of the user is greater than 100. Take note, if we use this particular operator, the resulting value is either true or false, or in which case we have here 0 for false and then 1 for true. If the statement here is true, what will happen is that we're going to execute this line. If the statement is false, that is, let's say the number is less than 100, it will not execute this statement, this block of code here, but it will continue with the rest of our program. So that's how the if statement works. Let's run our code. Now on the screen right now, we are being prompted to enter a number. So let's say our input number is 101. Enter. So the number is greater than 100. That's the output. So it means that when we do the evaluation of is x greater than 100, the result of the evaluation is true or the value returned is 1. That's why we were able to get this message here. So let's run our program again. But this time, let's say our input is 99. Run. Enter. By the way, enter. You see that there's no output because the statement is false. Now in the simple if statement, we only execute one statement, which is the having the true value. So in our next example, I'm going to show to you other examples of the if statements. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.